Hi everybody, today we're going to be thinking about trees and a tree house. We're going to be using simple shapes to draw our tree house, okay? So here's a springtime tree. We're going to add color to it, of course, at the end. So let's get started. So we're going to write our name and class code on the back of our paper. We're going to be holding our paper hot dog, portrait, or the long, skinny up and down direction today. All right. So get your pencil. I'm going to use crayon so you can see what I'm doing. And we're going to start by drawing the trunk of our tree. And we're going to be doing two long up and down lines, okay? Then let's do our shark fins across the bottom for our grass, okay? And then we're going to make our trunk of our tree, we're going to draw two big branches. We're going to come out like we're writing the letter Y, okay? And then it's going to look like we're writing a capital V right in the middle here, okay? And then let's do that again on both sides. We're going to go way out, nice long lines, like we're writing the letter Y, and then we're going to put a capital V inside there. Same thing on the other side, go way out, like you're writing the letter Y, and put a capital V inside. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Remember, this is nature, and trees sometimes are wiggly lines, so don't worry about it if it's not perfect. Then the star of the show, or the tree house. I'm going to start by doing either a rectangle or square, both work, okay? I'm going to put a triangle on the top. I'm going to add two squares for windows. And of course, we need a door to come in and out. Then we want a ladder going all the way up. So I'm going to start here at the bottom, and I'm going to be doing skinny rectangles. We have an oak tree, and we put some boards on there so it was easy for our girls to climb up. And then there's going to be one up here at the top. And then from the tree house, I'm going to just do a little connecting ladder down like that. Okay, then let's put ourselves in one of the windows. You can draw yourself however you want to. I'm going to start with a circle. I'm going to add my hair. And remember, we're only going to see ourselves from about the waist up because the rest of us is inside our treehouse. Two little dots for an eye. It's not going to be too many details because we're way up high in the tree. Okay, so now our treehouse is pretty much done. If you want to, you can add other things. Maybe there's a flower box with some flowers because it's springtime. You can decide. You don't have to add more details unless, of course, you want to. All right, so then let's add a bird's nest. We're going to draw a zigzag line in a circle, and that's going to be our nest. Let's add some eggs. Okay, I'm going to add just 3 of them. We have a robin's nest in our big old oak tree, and it already has some eggs in it, so it's pretty cool. Then we're going to draw the birdie, the mama bird, or maybe the daddy bird. We're going to draw an S on the side, like that, okay, or a roller coaster line, and then a big smile underneath for the bottom of our bird. 2 lines like this and 2 little hills, okay, and then 2 triangles for the beak and a dot for the eye. And we're done. Okay, so then I like to add some other things to my tree. Let's add a swing. You can add either a tire swing or a regular swing. If I was going to do a tire swing, I'd do a line coming down and a donut or a double circle. If I was going to do a regular swing, I'd do 2 lines coming down for the ropes. And remember, we're thinking about shapes today, so just a rectangle behind it for a regular swing, okay? So then I want to add a dog or a cat. You can choose which one. I'm going to do a dog. I'm going to do a U shape on its side, 2 little triangles for the ears, kind of a rectangular shape for my dog's body, okay? A little triangle for the tail, and then dogs have 4 paws. 1, 2, tummy, a little smile line, 3, and then I'm going to tuck that last leg in there behind. And then our doggy wants a nose, 2 eyes, and maybe a little tongue or a mouth sticking out, okay? Tongue, not a mouth. a little tongue sticking out. Maybe he's panting a little bit. Then I'm going to add a collar, okay? Then we're going to scumble in the leaves, okay? So we're starting to think about our color now because our drawing is done. So I'm going to scumble in leaves, okay? Remember, scumbling is controlled scribbling. I'm going to go all the way around. I'm going to go around my fort because I want it to show, okay? I'm going to go around the bird because I want it to show, all right? And then another big thing for color, I'm going to use my blue sideways crayon. Ask your teacher if you don't find one in your crayon box, but remember, look first, okay? And I'm going to do the rest of the sky, maybe even add some sky behind my leaves like that. And then maybe think about what color I want to do my grass at the bottom. Please remember, you do not have to do realistic coloring. I kind of like to do it, but you could have a pink tree with purple leaves if you want to. It's perfectly okay. All right, so think about what colors you want to use for the rest of your picture. Add lots of color, and remember to be creative and have fun. Bye.